Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian Mikhail, and I'm very happy to be able to announce that Headstamp Publishing has a new book in stock, shipping now from our warehouse, and that is Rifles on the Danube, Hungarian AK-Pattern Firearms, 1959 to 2002, written by Hungarian researcher László Becz. This is a super cool book. I've been really excited about this from the very beginning of when we started working with Mr. Becz on it. We ran a Kickstarter campaign for the book last year. It, of course, has been in the printing process. It is now fully printed. It is has shipped, is arrived at our warehouse, and as I'm filming this, we are shipping the pre-orders from the Kickstarter campaign and pre-order sales since. By the time you see this video, we should be pretty much done shipping those and continuing to ship new orders. So if you're looking for a seriously deep book on Hungarian AKs, if you're interested in Cold War firearms, if you're interested in Hungarian AKs, well, this book is absolutely the be-all and end-all of information on the subject. So it covers, of course, all of the major production Hungarian AKs, starts with the AK-55, goes all the way through the post-end of communism semi-automatic US civilian import Hungarian AKs, as well as some experimental guns like the NGM and NGV, the 5.56 caliber AKs that Hungary worked with briefly that didn't get anywhere. Very limited production, but really good information about them in the book here. It also covers a whole bunch of accessory elements, things like bayonets, things like use of night vision scopes on Hungarian AKs with the Hungarian military, things like grenade launchers. Of course, there is an entire chapter on the AMP rifle, that is the Hungarian dedicated grenade launching variant of the AK, including a bunch of information about the grenades themselves. Hungary had a bunch of, well, a couple of pretty distinct AKs. The AMP is one of them. Another one, of course, is the AMD-65, the short-barreled sort of tanker version. And the backstory behind the AMD-65, I think, is really interesting. And, of course, it is covered in significant detail here in the book. There is a tremendous amount of tabular data that Mr. Becz has been able to source and include in the book as well, covering things like exports of Hungarian rifles by year and by country of destination, production of all the different models, the issuance of different models of rifle to different elements of the Hungarian military. It is absolutely a motherload of information. So all of us at Headstamp are very proud of this book, very excited to have it available. And again, if it's the sort of thing that you're interested in, it is available now on our website, headstampppublishing.com. We have the standard version as well as a signature version, and we do actually still have just a small number of collector editions available. That's got the special collector-only blue cover color scheme, as well as a clamshell case, a really cool clamshell case that the book comes in. So you can check us out over at headstampppublishing.com for that, and of course for all of the other books that we have in stock. Thanks for watching.